This is problem 4-9. Let's see, I just missed drawing something on here. So they give us this, someone pulling down on this bar. The distance from A to B is 2.5 feet. And the distance from B to C is 0.75 feet. So basically with this, they want us to find the moment about A due to force B and force C. So the moment due to force B, and we're just going to take coming out of the screen as being positive for that moment. So with this is one that we can do. We could do using a vector method. We can also use a scalar method. But so if we remember, the moment equals the perpendicular distance times the force, or it can be the perpendicular force times the distance. For this one, we can do we could do either pretty easily, but the way they give us the angles, I think it would be easier to do that perpendicular force, so we'll do this one. So the moment due to that force B, we have 2.5 feet, or let's see, that perpendicular force will be that FB times cosine of 25. So that's going to give us this force here, or that component of the force. And then we want to do it times that distance, times 2.5 feet. So we're looking at perpendicular stuff. And then for the sine of it, we want to use our right hand rule. So take your hand and go from A to B, and then the fingers curl up because the force is pointed up, so it's coming out of the board, so it is a positive. So that's going to be 40 pounds cosine 25 degrees times 2.5 feet. So we get that the moment due to that B force equals 90.6 pounds. And since it's positive, it's up in that direction. So the next part is for the moment due to C, or about A due to that C force. We'll use the same sign convention. So we're going to use that perpendicular force times the distance. So the perpendicular force, so we want this component of the force. So that basically would just be that FC, which is 50 pounds, times cosine of that 30 degrees. So that gives us that perpendicular force, and then we're going to multiply that by that full distance from A to C. So that's 2.5 plus 0.75 feet. I just noticed this is pounds and feet, so it's pounds times feet, which should have been the moments about B. And for the moment about C, if we multiply that out, we get 140 or 141 pound feet. So moment C coming out of the board is positive. This is a positive one, so it's 141 pound feet, and it's going around this way. So that's the answer for this one. The two things they wanted. Make sure you understand that right hand rule as you go through these problems.